So we're going to be just talking about adjectives. Do you know what adjectives are?
No.
Do you know what nouns are?
Yes, a person, place, or thing.
Okay, good. So adjectives would be the words that describe these nouns. And so some words that you can use are different colors. So blue, black, red, pink. The size, meaning large, tall, petite, short. Personality, meaning a person can be polite, happy, scary, mysterious, or the appearance of something. So shiny, bald, scruffy, muscular. Do you have any questions over that?
No.
No? Alright, so I'm going to write a sentence. Alright, and I want you to read the sentence out loud.
Yesterday the sky was gray.
So yesterday the sky was gray. So what's the noun in this sentence?
The sky.
Sky. And what would be the adjective based on what you already know?
Gray.
Gray. So gray describes the sky. Does that make sense? Yeah. Do you have any questions? No? Alright, so now for the actual activity. So for this activity, you'll see that there's a chart at the top. So some of the words that I said earlier are on this chart. And what I want you to do now is I'm going to give you around 5 minutes to write 4 sentences to describe 2 characters. So you'll see that the characters are SpongeBob and Spider-Man. You may now begin.
You said 2 examples for each?
Yeah, 2 examples for each.
So we have to write full sentences.
Yes, full sentences using adjectives.
Only 2 words.
Look, you do.
What?
You do have it. I knew you'd have a basic sentence.
Yeah, you just...
I'm like, Brett, you gotta have that one basic sentence on there.
Just make them basic. Oh,
I didn't want to have the same thing on.
Literally, your first one is something after SpongeBob. Are you done?
I have 5 minutes.
You have 5 minutes.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, we don't have the same thing.
You can always make more sentences.
That's true. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Like I did. What are you writing? These sentences? She only said 2.
Okay, you have to finish with them. Alright, let's go. I'm done. I don't know about you. You're rewriting a whole essay.
You have 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Is that your sentences?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now I want us to share. So Jasmine, what's your first sentence?
as a square.
SpongeBob is shaped
As
a square.
yeah,
It
so
could
like
be like a square, because like would be
like a square, but not really.
Alright, so what would be the noun in this sentence? SpongeBob. And so what's the adjective? It would be square, because it's describing SpongeBob or its shape. So, Junior, can you give me a sentence for Spider-Man?
Yeah, I put Spider-Man is gorgeous.
Spider-Man is gorgeous.
Yes.
So what would be the noun in the sentence?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. And what's the adjective?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. So gorgeous is describing Spider-Man.
Yes.
Jasmine, can you give me another sentence for Spider-Man?
Spider-Man is very flexible.
Spider-Man is very flexible. So what would be the noun in the sentence?
Spider-Man.
And what's its adjective? Right. Junior, can you give me a sentence for SpongeBob?
I put SpongeBob is short.
SpongeBob is short. So what's the noun in the sentence?
SpongeBob.
And what's the adjective?
Short.
Short. Do y'all have any questions over that?
No.
Nope. Alright, so for the last part of the activity, I actually want you to describe each other.
Wow.
Yeah. And you can do this out loud.
You don't have to write it down?
No, you don't have to write it down this time.
I'm just asking, just because I don't. I feel like this would take some time. Because it's a lot to me that she can say. But we don't have like time, like a time limit. Oh, okay, it's gonna take me a while to come over. No, she's nice. Jasmine is nice.
She didn't say begin.
Oh.
Oh, well, that's a start. So Jasmine is
Oh.
nice. What
Okay.
would the noun is Jasmine, and the adjective is nice.
Nice.
Conversation.
Oh, okay. Junior is very tall.
So what would be the noun in the sentence?
Junior.
And the adjective?
Tall.
My height.
And that describes your height.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Junior is wearing khaki pants.
Alright, so what would be the noun in that sentence?
Junior.
Junior?
Yeah.
And what would be the adjective?
Okay.
So you're saying khaki describes Junior?
Oh, no. Khaki describes. Sorry. Khaki describes the pants.
Alright, so the noun in that sentence is actually pants, right?
Uh-huh.
And khaki describes those pants.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, you want me to say something else about Jasmine?
Mm-hmm.
Jasmine is short. It's
So
very short.
what would be the noun in that sentence?
It would be Jasmine.
Jasmine. And what would
Yeah, she's 5'2", so she's short.
short. So what would be the adjective?
No, she's short.
Short. So short describes
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Right? Another sentence?
Junior is very polite.
Alright, so what's the noun in that sentence?
Junior.
Well, me.
Junior. And what is the adjective?
Polite.
Polite.
Polite
Right.
is describing Junior.
Yes. So do you have any questions over that? No?
This is, yeah, this is. I'm not what I was trying to say.
Okay.
Yeah, we get it.
Alright, so just to kind of go back, so what are adjectives again?
Oh, they use their words to describe nouns.
Yeah.
A person.
And what are nouns?
A person, place, or thing.
Okay, so for your homework, I want you to make a list of any objects that you probably see around your house or people that you know, and just at least come back with 5 of those sentences. Alright, so do you have any questions over what you're supposed to be doing for the homework?
Oh yeah, we're supposed to make full sentences.
Yes, full sentences. Is that all?
I don't have any questions.
All right. See you next class.
All right, thank you.